Hi, you are watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
When Malu said, Leb, ikaw ang maghawak ng Katniel movie, I readily agreed. It was really the chance to work with you two, no, that made me accept the project. And that made me probably sad, yun, na hindi natin nakuha ng yung gross na gusto natin. But it is also one of the things, no, that I'll never forget, and to me, that would always make this movie memorable. It's working with the two of you. God, maraming salamat sa iyo. I love you so much, and I miss you to all of you. And DJ, parang ang dami ko ng tropeyo sa daming pumuri sa paggaling mong artista. So maraming salamat sa inyo for your commitment. Ang daming nagsasabi na, Direk, grabe sila, grabe ang commitment at involvement nila dito sa inyo. Maraming salamat kasi binalidate nyo ang purpose ko as filmmaker. Thank you so much.
Ang daming nangyari sa Barcelona na pag natatandaan ko ngayon, parang ako, grabe, natagpasan ko yun. Kasi hindi siya talaga naging madali, but it was all worth it po talaga. Kaya kung meron tao na every time sinasabi nila after watching the movie na, congratulations, nag-grow ka talaga, ganyan, sinasabi ko hindi ito mangyayari kung wala talaga si Ina. Ina talaga, she's the best, as in, on and off cam. Ang dami na sa akin pinaparealize and all, and I'm really thankful for everything. Thank you.
Gusto kong pong magpasalamat kay Inang at dahil yung pangarap ko maging isang mahusay na aktor ay napalapit ho dahil kay Inang. At yung pagka-artista ko sa ngayon na nagkaroon pa ng mas malalim na rason kung bakit kailangan ko pang galingan. And yung mga natutunan ko sa Inang, talagang forever and ever ko yung dadalhin. Thank you, Inang. And sa suporta at sa tiwala mo. Thank you, Inang, sa pagtiwala sa amin ni Catherine at sa buong cast and sa crew, sa staff. Thank you very much, boys. Sa lahat ng boys na nakasama ko, thank you. Dahil pinadali nila ang trabaho ko at nagkaroon ako ng mga bagong kaibigan. Thank you po sa inyong lahat and congratulations.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.